Okay, so please welcome back to your second session, everyone. In this second session, you are going to study about blueprint 6. Okay, teacher would like you to review again. What did you study yesterday, everyone? So yesterday you studied about the prime minister and the president, right? So what are the two countries did we discuss? About the US and Canada, right? One led by the prime minister, one led by the president. One no monarch, one has. Okay, and actually, you can see the differences and some of the similarity in the two countries as well. So far, everyone. So teacher would like you to see some of the vocabulary to review. Okay, like the first one, like public. Related to people in general. When you do something in public, people know about what you are doing. Teacher can also give you the example when you work in the YouTube, when you post it or you accomplish it. You will see list. Okay, in the list you will see unleashed. Okay, private and public. Okay, then you publish it. So enthusiasm, the feeling of interested or wanting to do something or want to involve with something. Also, you can say when you see anyone else do a very good thing, you just feel enthusiastic to them. Okay. Next one is citizen. Citizen refer to someone who is legally live in a particular country. Okay. What about a candidate? Refer to a person who being part of what can be of an event, of an election, we call in voting. Okay. Endorse. Endorse means to advertise. Okay, to promote something publicly. Next, compassionate, adjective, having a compassion, meaning that to feel sympathy on those who are suffering. Next one, estimate. To estimate something means you guess it. Okay, you predict it. What about apply? Official, enforce, representative, govern, judge, monarch. Monarch can be king or queen. And the rest you have to looking back to your book. Okay, on page can be on page 38 and 39, 40. Okay, just check it again. So what is the content that we are going to discuss today is about what are the differences about government. And the number two, what are the form of government? So the first of all, the teacher would like you to see how is the government difference between communism and democratic. Communism country, this is the theory from Karl Marx. Okay, like Vietnam and like China, they have only one party in the country. Meaning that they don't participate with many parties in the country to involve with the elections. So everything dominated by one party only. When those parties they will select who become the president, who can become the prime minister. But they vote only in their party only. Okay, and everything dominated by the parties. Meaning that like the marketing price, okay, like the product, like everything, it owned by the party. Whereas we talk about the democratic, this is fall into USA, okay, and most of the country in the world they use democratic system to lead the country. So what are the differences, everyone? A democratic country, people can select the candidate for prime minister or for the president publicly, meaning that when they do the election, voters who are upper than 18 years old, they have the right to vote to a candidate that they love, okay, for leading their country. And the party can be involved more than one, okay, have a lot of party. Like example, like in Cambodia, we have in 2018, we have 20 parties to involve with the elections. One of most, CNRP and CPP. So CNRP, CNRP Cambodia, Reuse Party, and CPP Cambodian People Party, and the winner will fall into CPP, right? So this is what reality that the church race talk. So without bias to any which party. Anyway, the country like Canada and USA, even they are using the democratic the same, but the difference is that in America they have president and prime minister, but in Canada, they have prime minister but no president. They have the king, the king or queen Elizabeth II who rule the law. Somehow the chair would like you to see to the next question is that what are the form of government? Basically, if the channel talking about the democratic, we divide it into 3 segments. They have like the first one, legislative, executive, and judicial. And that for executive, by the USA, it is led by the president, and because of the president of the America is the head of state and also head of the government, whereas prime minister in Canada, he is the one who conduct what the law is made by constitutions, or we call by the lawmaker on the top, meaning that the prime minister, the one who conduct the law in the country, who manage the cabinet, and in each province or each state with that, whereas another person will call judicial, the one who apply the law. So how can the judicial apply the law, everyone? The judicial, they divide to in US, they divide to Supreme Court and lower court. So those courts are very important role. If the president, example, if the president did something bad, he will be asked by the Constitution or the Congress, to face with the law. So meaning that even the president or the prime minister not too powerful because of under the Congress as well. So what about the Canada, everyone? Canada, they have the prime minister, and the prime minister of the Canada, only conduct the rule, and he doesn't involve with the legislative. There's no, So teacher would like you to see what does the legislative or the Congress in the US have. We have Senate, Senate and the House of Representatives. So the Senate in the US, they have 100 senators, it means 2 from each state. Whereas the House of Representatives, they have 435 representatives from each state. This is based on the population in each state in the United States. So, okay, so how can they select a representative of the Senate and the House of Representatives? This is by the eligible voter that has the age under 18 years old. Okay, so they have right to vote. So this is we call democratic system, not like the communist system. Okay, communist system, everything vote in the party. Okay, so no free voting. Okay, so now go to the question number 3. Like why does a $20 bill in Canada have Queen Elizabeth II? So as people said, or teacher also exploit, teacher found that because of they mentioned that the Queen Elizabeth is the Queen of Canada. Really? Not only Canada, but also other countries like in New Zealand. Okay, the Queen also have in the currency in New Zealand as well, or the coin. So she is really powerful. Okay, so teacher would not talk it so far more. Teacher would like you to explore why it happened and why Queen Elizabeth is powerful to those countries, and why she is appear with the coin or with the money on that. So this is come to the end of your session today, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for your watching. Goodbye, class.